Hello Prestige family and welcome back. What we're bringing you today is a 2009 Aston Martin DB9. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. The customer's original complaint was that the passenger side window, both rear windows, as well as the convertible top were not functioning, which, as you know, can present as a problem for us here in Miami.
Tell me Miami, it's crazy weather.
It's too crazy. So, after further diagnostic, our technician found out that the window motor assembly was malfunctioning. This piece is actually responsible for lifting the window on the passenger side. So because the front passenger window wasn't reaching its complete function, it wouldn't allow the system to do the next few steps, which include closing the two back windows and the convertible top.
Our solution was to replace and reprogram a new motor assembly. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.